I'm Cheyenne and I'll be showing you how to care and look after a mother-in-law's tongue. The mother-in-law's tongue is so low maintenance, it's the perfect choice for most homes and beginner indoor plant owners. It has thick succulent leaves which are able to retain water for long periods of time, making it the perfect choice for today's busy lifestyle. To care for your mother-in-law's tongue you will need cacti and succulent potting mix, soil conditioner, watering can, trowel, and a dust mask and gloves. The mother-in-law's tongue is a succulent, so the best potting mix is this one here, which has been specifically designed for cacti and succulents. The mother-in-law's tongue requires very little attention once they are potted and established. However, they do prefer bright indirect sunlight. Avoid hot direct sunlight as the leaves will scorch and burn. A mother-in-law's tongue doesn't require much water at all. Pretty much the only way you can kill this plant is by over-watering, so be careful with that watering can. I've chosen this pot for my mother-in-law's tongue because it has appropriate drainage. The bottom pops off for excess water so I can throw it away, or I can leave it in there and it becomes self-watering. To promote faster growth, use a soil conditioner like Seasol every 2 weeks. If you're happy with the size of your plant, monthly application is all that's required to maintain a healthy plant and vibrant colours. Aside from looking good, the mother-in-law's tongue can also benefit your air filtration. According to a NASA Clean Air study, it can get rid of most pollutants in your home. This plant is toxic to cats and dogs, which can make it a poor choice if you have pets. As you can see, the mother-in-law's tongue is a beautiful and easy to look after plant, perfect for any home or beginner indoor plant owner.